right, so here with our neighbors. Desert Drive car storage. They're getting set up. They're gonna have triple lifts in here, right, Zach?
Yes, all the way to the top.
Zach and Jasmine, they're our neighbors. They're taking over basically what, units 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8?
Yep, got them all.
They got them all. So, Great Autos members, Coachella Valley Car Collectors, everybody, they're starting to get cars in here. Get in while you can. The lifts are on the way. And, well, let's walk by.
Yeah.
And you guys take it away. What are you guys going to do? Rates? Time frame? How you guys are going to bill?
Yeah, so real simple, we're easy to work with, month-to-month contracts. There's special limited time offers for pricing to get everybody in. As Bobby was saying, we have the lifts coming, so they'll be brand new and installed and inspected for safety. We have 24/7 video monitoring, alarm systems. Our back area is gated, and we're located just minutes from the airport, right next door to Bobby.
At the end of the runway, yeah. And they share a building with our shop and Victor's, so we're all kind of here. Chuck's across the street, so it's like the corner of classic cars. It's like the classic car intersection.
It really is.
So we're all here. Get in while you can. If you need storage, get a hold of them. We'll put up their number on the old thingy here. We got it.
Call us.